What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to always turn on the best sound and video quality for your Spotify, because by default, every time you set up a new phone, those settings don't carry over. So you want to make sure that you do this again every single time, because you pay for Spotify Premium and you want the best quality. So this is what you got to do. So open up your Spotify app, and then in the top left, hit your profile. And from here, we're going to go into settings and privacy. Then we're going to go down till we see media quality. Tap on that. And Wi-Fi streaming quality, make sure you set that over to very high. That's the best quality that they have. Don't set it to automatic or anything like that. Set it to very high. Cellular streaming quality, again, very high. Most everybody at this point, especially in America, has unlimited data. Use it. You're crazy not to. It's just, you can get the best quality. Auto adjust right here. Make sure this is off. That's the way it should look. Make sure it's off, because otherwise they're gonna do what they want with this and lower your quality, have it be over Wi-Fi or cellular. So turn auto adjust off. Video streaming quality. You have it set to high, let's set it to very high. It's gonna give you, again, the best quality video when streaming. Cellular streaming quality, set it to very high. Again, it's gonna use more data, but you should already have unlimited data, so it shouldn't matter whatsoever. Download quality, why not? Set it to very high, why not? A lot of our phones have tons of storage. Some people have up to 1 terabyte of storage on their phone. Why not use it? 512, 256, whatever it is, just use it all the way up. And that's the media quality. So all of that is good at that point. So hit your back button. Now that we're back in settings, you want to go to where it says data saving and offline. Tap that. Data saver, you can see, choose if you'd like to optimize your data usage. We want to turn this off. I don't want them to mess with my data in terms of the streaming quality and disables other features. Again, they're finding ways to override what you just did, so turn that off for sure. Data saver off. I also go into downloads and streaming. I do my downloads over cellular. I have no problem doing that. If you don't want to turn that one on, you don't have to, but basically if you download a song or a video, it'll go over cellular if you're not connected to Wi-Fi. But if you don't want to do that, you can keep that one off if you want. Now, the other thing is you'll see remove all downloads. If you've already downloaded your songs and videos and things like that, before you set these settings, they're all going to be in lower quality and most likely not re-download into higher quality. So at that point, you'd want to remove your downloads and then re-download those playlists and videos so that when they download this time, they'll be in the best quality. So there you guys go. Hopefully that was really helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.